Welcome to Japan! Hi! We are finally here in Fukuoka and we just do some repacking of our stuff because we'll go out. It's around 14 degrees outside. It's really cold. So it's a good thing that we brought our trench coat and our jackets with us in the airplane so that when we get off, we can easily use it. Okay, let's see if we can find our way to Hakata. Bye! This is where we got off. Tapos here's the subway station. There. We're taking a subway station going to Hakata station. I think that would only take how many stations? Two stations away. Let's go. Let's find an elevator. So we're just getting a one-way ticket to Hakata station. We made it! Welcome to Fukuoka! We're walking to our BNB.
We're trying to find it.
We will try to find it. The map says it's less than a kilometer away.
11-minute walk from Hakata Station.
From Hakata Station. So the point of origin is Hakata Station.
Hello.
Walking trip.
Don't know if we're getting near or far.
Hi! Update after around 15 minutes siguro kasi di namin alam pa yung daan. Nakarating na kami dito sa Airbnb namin. So ito siya. Yan. Entry tayo. Hi! So, welcome to our Airbnb, room 403 here at Piccolo Hakata. Pagpasok mo, merong shoe cabinet. Ayan. And then a little hallway. Dito yung mini kitchen. May stove pero parang hindi naman ata siya gumagana. Hindi ko sure. Merong mini ref sa baba. Kompleto rin yung plates and mga mugs. Tapos nandito naman sa ilalim yung mga cleaning supplies and mga kutsilyo, ganyan. Dito naman, makikita natin yung floor heating ata to or water heater, hindi ko sure. Tapos, ito ang ating bathroom. Ito ang ating bathroom. Yan, merong mirror, may sink, and here is our yan, shower area. Parang may mini bathtub dyan. May soap and shampoo, and may towel. Tapos, katabi niya, hi! Usually, sa Japanese apartments, magkahiwalay talaga ang toilet at bathroom. And yes, it's a Japanese toilet. Yan, nothing much. Pagpasok mo, ito na yung bedroom. Tapos, ito yung closet space. Ano naman yan? Ito. Ayan. Diyan yung futon. Yeah. And ito na yung room itself. Yeah. There's a microwave, hair dryer, electric kettle, linens and towels, and then a mini table, and also a table right here. Tapos, ito na yung queen size bed or double size bed, and a TV, an air conditioner, and dito naman yung and ito naman yung sa labas, balcony yan. Yung view niya is yung bukas, papakita ko na lang yung view. Pero ayan, yan siya.
Hi! So ngayon, hanap kami ng pagdi-dinner. Late, super late dinner.
Entrance ba ba? Sa kabila. Ayun ba pala? Hi. What did we order?
Shinshin Hakata Ramen, gyoza, and
Mentaiko yaki ramen.
yaki ramen.
Sarap. Uy, grabe. Ano lasa?
Lansa.
Lagay mo lahat.
Ano to? Sprout? Pork?
Sa mahalo-halo siya eh. Parang may seafood. Lagyan mo yan. May broth. Init ah. Masarap. Diba? Sarap. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Testing ko ng I'll get gyoza na. Let's try the ramen. Uy, last order na buti na lang makaabot tayo. Hindi siya kasi sharing is careful. Wala silang rin sa Pilipinas. Pero the best food. Kain mo naman. Ayan, tapos na kami mag-dinner. Dito kami nag-dinner sa Shinshin Ramen. Isa sa mga highly recommended na ramen place dito sa Hakata. And yung in-order ko is Yaki Ramen, yung dried ramen. Siya naman yung original Hakata Ramen. And anong verdict mo?
Sarap.
Good, sarap. Try nyo. Yung mentayat ko, dried ramen. Thumbs up.